Okay, so I really shouldn't be making this because I should be getting ready, but oh god, I should have opened this up a long time ago, so it's probably going to go bang. Try and get, yeah, there you go. Alright, that looks alright. And it's giving off a yellow appearance. Right, when I get home from work, I'm gonna taste it. So I was being bad. I literally got this shot up straight away. I literally haven't opened it since I made it on Sunday. So yeah, I'll test it all when I get back from work. So yeah, catch you in a sec. Okay, so hello, and this is Jada Ashley Spencer, and as you saw in the beginning, basically I should have been checking this every day, I just haven't. So I think I made the nettle beer on Sunday, and then now it's Friday. But we're gonna be testing the alcohol thing. I still don't really know how it works, but whatever. And then we may try a bit. I don't know yet. I'll see how I feel. But yeah. Let me open it, and then we'll share a cool moment together. Yeah. Okay, so it's in here. Right, is it gonna bang? No. Oh god, my tan line, man. This is crazy. Honestly, at this moment, I can't really be bothered to get my actual tripod. So yeah. Alright. So I think I'm going to. Oh my god, I still need to do another beer making thing. I'm just gonna get my spoon, shake it all off. Oh, stir it. I mean. So it's weird. It's kind of changed colour a bit. It does look like a more yellowy colour, goldy colour, pissy colour. But yeah, it's still got a hint of green in, but it's definitely more beer colour. Right. Yeah, screw it. I'm gonna set this up. Hopefully this doesn't fall over. Oh god. Let me do it like that. Right. Alright. Let me. I think that should be enough. I may be mistaken, but pretty sure that is enough. Right, let's get the little. Oh god, that looks really, really, really mega light. Alright, that should be enough. Let's see if it's. Oh god, that is. If we add a little bit more. Add a tiny bit more. Right. So, hang on. Okay, so it is actually at the bottle. That black line is actually at the bottle stage. So it is. Okay, so as I was saying before, it is actually at the bottle stage. See, it can go down. but it just buoyances back up. So it has got some alcohol in it, and it is exactly on the black line. I don't think I've got a beer that has been exactly on there, but I think this is literally the first time. Okay, it's a bit below. But yeah, so yeah. Okay, so as always, I'm actually going to try a bit this much. It doesn't really smell like anything. Oh god. But it definitely tastes different. It does taste really different to the Julia Lager. That's got a weird taste, man. That has got an aftertaste as well. I'm happy with that. I'm first try, and it's got an aftertaste. Yeah, yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good as first attempts go. I think I did add a bit too much water in it, but yeah, first attempt. But on the weekend, I am actually going to go out, pick a load more stinger nettles, hopefully not get attacked by a bee this time. And then we're going to try and repeat this process. So I'm going to try and get like 3 bags worth or something. Just try and make a really strong one. And yeah, just compress it right down so we get all the juice. And yeah, hopefully it kicks ass. But yeah. Or well, actually, I think I'm gonna grab all the nettles and then do something. I don't know. I don't know if I can. I don't know if there's a way if I can like collect all the juice, save that until like a week, and then do it. 2 weeks. Yeah, this is my little predicament right here because I've only got one thingy chamber, vessel chamber thing, fermentation chamber. That's it. But yeah, I really want to get another one, but I think it's sold out at the moment, so I'm just waiting until they come back in stock. But yeah, but anyway, this has been Jada Ashley Spencer. It's been the first taste and alcohol percentage of the nettle beer. But yeah, if you've liked what you've seen, please can you like, subscribe, and share. Check out my videos, and goodbye, my friends. Bye. No. Bye.